Hey there, wonderful people. My name is Parth, and this video is going to be about fitness. This video is especially for the people who are just starting out their journey of becoming an healthier individual. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 things, the most important things that you should be taking care of. A lot of beginners don't know what they should be doing. They start taking care of things that they should not be taking care of, and they start neglecting things that are the most important. So, going through the first things, which is the most important, is picking up something you actually like doing. You might be the person who doesn't like going to the gym, who doesn't want to run on the treadmills. But you know what? You might actually like watching Bollywood movies and the actors and actresses giving such a graceful dance performance. You might like watching cricket, you might like watching football. So pick up a hobby which you really like and start doing it on a regular basis. The second most important thing that you should be taking care of is the consistency of you doing that thing. Just do it for an entire year straight. Just give it your all. By doing this, I can guarantee you that you will be better than 95% of the people doing it. I'm not even telling you to do it for your entire life. Just do it for 1 year. It will become a habit and you will keep on doing it regularly. The third most important thing is, a lot of people who are hungry, who are fat, who are obese face this third issue. Just stop eating, man. Just stop eating. If you're fat, if you're obese, you probably are eating more than you should. So a very easy step to do this is, whatever you are eating right now, just eat 80% of that. Suppose if you are eating 4 chapatis, just eat 3. If you are eating full bowl of rice, just eat half bowl of rice. So this is very easy to do and it is very much doable. You don't have to go and do keto, you don't have to go and do intermittent fasting, you don't have to just eat till 7 p.m. and you're not going to eat anything after 7 p.m. Meanwhile, all these diets are difficult to do. Easiest way is just eat 80% of what you were eating till date and you're good to go as a beginner. And the fourth thing is, remove all the snacks from your homes. What I've seen in Indian households is that you will be having biscuits, you will be having namkeen, you will be having chips. These are the things, chocolates as well. These are the things which you keep at your home and you start eating it when you're getting bored. You're not even hungry. You might even start watching TV, you start Netflix, you start YouTube. You don't have anything to do with that. So you go and bring out the snacks and start eating. You're not even hungry. So that is the habit which you have made for yourself. So for removing that habit, what you should do is get rid of all the snacks in your home and start eating clean foods. Start drinking water more. You can also have lime juices, but just get rid of all the snacks from your home. This was the fourth thing. The fifth thing is having an alternative, healthier alternative to what you're eating. What does this mean? You can make everything healthier. Like I said before, you're eating 4 chapatis and I told you to eat only 3 chapatis. So in these 3 chapatis also, you can make it healthier by not using oil, by not using ghee, by not using butter in that chapati. So in this way, you can make your foods healthy. Similarly, you're having Coke. You want to drink Coke, you like cool drinks. Just get a diet Coke. You like Oreos, just get an healthier variant where there are not many calories in that food. So this was the 5th most important thing that you should be taking care of. And I'll just give you some tips which I did. I did not had any snacking addiction, but sometimes when you have those cravings that you have completely removed everything from your house, all the snacks you have removed, you don't have anything in your house to eat, but you really crave that you want to eat some chips, or you want to eat a cake, you want to eat a pastry. Just go to the store. Just go to the store and pick up a packet, the smallest packet you can get. If you're having chips, most of us have chips of 30 rupees, maybe 50 rupees, that family packs, because they have higher quantity and the pricing is less. That does not make any sense. Just go and buy the 5 rupee variant. You might get 4 to 5 chips, but it will fulfill your cravings. It might fulfill your cravings. And chocolates, same thing. You might be liking dairy milks, you might like eating Cadbury silks, big huge chocolates. Just get a 5 rupees chocolate. Similarly, Kit Kat. Don't have to get the entire stack, just get one 20 rupees one. And don't eat it outside the store. Bring it inside your house and then eat it. Because if you eat it outside the store, you will buy another one. Just come home and eat it. The next thing which I followed, a tip I would like to give you is drinking water before having any meal. So if you're already filled with water, you're not going to eat as much. So making that step even easier of eating 80%, if you fill up your stomach with 20% of water, you probably are going to eat 80%. So this is the easier thing which you can do. Also chapatis, you can, in your next steps, you can include bhakris instead of chapatis. And personally, I have not ever followed any diet. I've just stuck to the basics. Like this much protein intake I should be having, this much things I should be eating, and I'm good to go. And I don't care about how much I eat, how much I stop eating. But yeah, this is the thing. I'll just eat 200 grams of chicken and a little bit of eggs, 4 to 6 eggs and all these things, and I'm good to go. This is my diet and I eat anything on top of this, whatever my mother has made. And with all the things which I have said to you, the 5 most important things, this will even make your family healthier. So if you're going on intermittent fasting, if you're doing keto and all these things, all the diets, your family might not be able to follow it. But if you start doing these small things on a regular basis and people start seeing results, your family starts seeing results, and it is very easy. They might also start doing it. Like for example, chapatis, only you are eating 80% of your food. They will also start eating 80% of the food. You are using healthier alternatives to all the foods which you are eating, and it is easier. They will also start eating the healthier alternatives to foods they are eating. With this, your family is also going to become healthy. Unlike if you do intermittent keto, your family is not going to able to follow that diet. In fact, you might, as a beginner, you might not able to follow the diet, and you end up crash dieting and doing things, and you are back on doing the same things which were doing on the day one.